Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another weekly Liv video. I am so excited to be vlogging again this week. I honestly just love vlogging. You guys probably don't know this because you don't like edit the videos with me, but my footage is always 2 hours because I love just being like blah, 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 blah. So like half of the stuff that I say gets cut out of the vlogs. So a lot of my vlogs are like here, there and everywhere. So I'm going to try this week to hone in the random conversations and keep it like to the point, you know. So it's like nearly 11. I don't know how it got to be nearly 11 because the last time I looked at the clock it was like not even 10 yet. That's weird. Anyway, so just edited the vlog from last week. I'm about to go to the gym. I upgraded my membership last week. I don't think I told you about it, but my gym has like multiple memberships where if you pay like the base price, you just get entry to the gym. The next one is like contract free. The next one is like you get to bring a friend in and you get to go to classes. So I'm so excited to go to classes. I didn't realize, but the class this morning is the class that I want to go to. It's a fight class, which is like hilarious because it's just like people jumping around and like punching and stuff. But that's the kind of class that I wanted to go to, but I realized 10 minutes before it started. So what's up? It's been like 2-3 hours since I last filmed. So I went to the gym and I was there for an hour, nearly an hour and a half. Like, who am I? I'm becoming that person. By the way, I forgot food in my teeth. I'm eating my like sunflower seeds right now. But I just had breakfast or lunch, like whatever, about an hour ago, and I'm just having a quick snack because I'm still a little bit peckish. And then I don't know what we're doing for dinner. I have absolutely no idea. But Corbu told us to dress up, right? Yeah. So we have to look nice. So I'm wearing this dress that I bought from an op shop ages ago, and it used to look so much worse on me, and now it actually looks kind of good. The arms still don't fit though, but these arms are so tight. Like, it's around my forearm. It has like a little cuff. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I had to like roll it up. So we made it out to dinner and I completely forgot that I brought my camera, so I already filmed the whole place on my phone, but I'll show you. It's cute, and Hazel had no idea, even though I just about ruined the surprise at home earlier. I was like, Corpu's got us going out for, I'm like, to pick him up from work, but I don't know if she heard me. Anyway, there's the Corpu in his habitat. So cute.
Have you?
Yeah. It's a bit different actually than the online menu. I'm just showing them that I'm going to get the organic with my one gross nail. I'm going to point with this one. The organic lemon bitters.
This is the same table set with Hannah.
I don't know what I want.
Such a nerd.
You're a nerd.
I am a
nerd.
Gaming shirt.
With a gaming jumper. Look at you go.
Oh snap.
Sorry. Sponsor? Thanks guys.
This is where we are, by the way.
Yeah.
Oh, stop it. So we got the kimchi waffle fries. They look so freaking good. Hazel's DIY son.
It smells good.
I normally wouldn't film the food this intently, but it's like the flashiest food ever. You better eat before you eat all of it, eh? I'll take this one. Yes, this is Corpu and I's chicken. Yum! When you say that you're not going to eat any more shitty food, but then somehow you buy this. Whoops. Good morning guys, it's Tuesday and I am up bright and early-ish to go to the gym. I say ish because it's not like crazy early, it's pretty early. It's like, for me in the holidays at least, to be like going somewhere. It's 8:30. I'm pretty sure the class at my gym starts at 9:30 and I want to beat the class. So this morning I am going straight from the gym to meetmakeup.co.nz for a coffee. Originally I was going to go to the gym afterwards, but then Janae, my mentee, I guess you call it, I cannot think of the name right now, she wanted to meet up. We were going to meet up last week I think, but I kind of forgot. So yes, I finally found the cafe, but this is, oh my gosh, that looks so good. Anyway, sorry, it's Claire and Adrian. I was going to say Claire and Adrian, it's the wrong way around. They're the faces behind makeup.co.nz. Hi! And I was just looking at this on the menu. This looks so good. Like I told you guys, I'm supposed to be meeting my friend from work, but this looks too good. Maybe I'll just get a little snack with her because I really want to eat this. Seriously. This looks so good. Look at those. Yours. Didn't film like at all in the mall because we didn't even end up having like coffee or anything. We both had already eaten, so we just ended up getting a tank and just walking around, so I didn't end up picking up the camera to vlog because like we were walking. But I picked this up from Kmart. It's like a little desk lamp. I don't know, it just looks like this. It was $6. I was looking for something else, a different type of light, but they didn't have it, and it was really weird. Like I couldn't find it online. I don't even know what I'm looking for, so I'll need to ask the person who suggested it to take a picture of the box. But I bought that for my stream setup. I know it's literally like this big piece, like this piece of crap light, but I'm sure it'll be better than nothing, and if it's not, it was only $6, I'll just return it. Corpu and Hazel, it's starting late today because it's Anzac Day, and we're having croissants, and I did my nails. I don't think I've showed you guys. I hate them. They're so stumpy. Anyway, I'm having a Vegemite and cheese croissant, which some people may think is a travesty, but I enjoy, and we're also cooking bacon in the oven because we have no gas. It's starting to look kind of beautiful, although you can see me squatting. It looks like I'm taking a dump. This is so beautiful. I'm so happy right now. This one's got Vegemite in it. It's not much to see. You guys are probably like spewing, but whatever. Yes. I'm really lazy when I'm doing these videos, so I'm like trying to find something that I can balance my Camerooni on. There we go. Woo! That was bloody close, wasn't it? So right now it is about 1:45, and I haven't really vlogged today because when Corpu and my flatmate have like the day off, we'd like to, or when they have like the day off or part of the day off, or like a late start or whatever, we just like to spend the day together. Just we have like breakfast together and just like hang out and stuff because it's like nice, you know. So I didn't really want to vlog all that much. Right now I obviously just got back from the gym. As you guys can see, I've done my makeup. I ended up not filming this afternoon like I'd planned, although I'm really glad that I didn't, because I did not realize that me changing up my stream interface was literally going to take me my entire lifetime. Honestly, I'm so frustrated right now, like it's not even funny how mad I am. I'm just trying to do my overlay so that when I stream I look more profesh and it looks better. Let me show you what I've got so far. Obviously the game would be in the place where the big black part is, but this is basically what I've got so far. So that's me. Hello. And then down there it's like got my name, and then like my newest follower, my newest subscriber, and my newest chair would go in those slots. So Corpu and Hazel just got home, and now we're gonna go to a movie night thing. Probably not gonna vlog, but I'll take you guys anyway just in case. This is my outfit. These had really hideous pockets and now they just have really hideous pocket marks. I know it's ugly, but whatever. Romwe, Glassons, and then I've got Chucks. Oh.
I was a vampire.
Ah! I'm sorry, I teased you. But this morning I'm going to a class at my gym. I think I might have told you that yesterday, but I am officially going. It's in about half an hour, so I'm just gonna mosey on over to my gym and just like talk to the trainer lady and just see what I need to do to make sure that I don't die. I might also take my resistance band and then do some booty builders. Excuse me, some booty builders like right after, because why the hell not? You know how the other day I said I'd achieved a new level of red face? I have achieved the next level on from that previous level. I've never in my life been this red. This camera isn't even lying. This is how I actually look. How? Why were people not concerned for my well-being when I left the gym? Especially because of my neck. Oh, my chest is a bit red, but my neck is white. What on earth is wrong with me? So I've showered, I've put on more activewear. I'm just in my undies right now, but I'm gonna wear activewear to work because activewear is the best wear. No, but I'm gonna be like moving around furniture, so I don't really want to wear wearing jeans, you know? But anyway, I am editing the Chatty Get Ready because my workmate can't go till later, which is like perfect because I'm gonna edit this, eat, and then hopefully go into school. If this doesn't render or work, I'm gonna be so sad. So this is where I'm at right now. This is how much I've edited. I know, don't get too excited, but I've edited 1 minute. I just finished getting ready. I just did really basic makeup. I'm just wearing like bronzer, highlight, foundation, powder, concealer, pretty much everything. But I mean, like, I'm not wearing any eyeshadow. That doesn't make it natural. But I was gonna wear less makeup, but because my skin is kind of like iffy at the moment, I wanted to just like have a little bit more coverage, because I'm feeling a little bit self-conscious about all of this, you know, and seeing as I'm not like going to the gym, I wanted to like look nice. But yeah, I'm gonna go pick up Corpu in about an hour. We'll leave to pick him up in about an hour, because we're going to the movies. We're going to see Avengers 3, and I'm really excited. I will pop a clip in sometime in the near future of us just chatting about it, reviewing it after we see it. Spoiler free, obviously. I've got the car mount ready for us to do our review on the way home. I remembered this time.
That's a cool. How does that work? Is it a little screw?
You screw it in, yeah.
Oh,
but
that's a bit of work, eh?
it's a little bit of work, but not too much work.
Oh, get it out of my face.
Do you want to give your unspoilerific thoughts to the people of the internet?
End credit scene at the very end of the credits.
Yep.
Movie was amazing. Those directors are the guys that did my favorite Marvel movie, Winter Soldier. Best Marvel film to date. The best.
It was great. I can't give a review without it being spoilerific.
Yeah, there's literally nothing that we can do that won't ruin the movie.
So the only thing that I can say is that they like included all the characters really well. Like, it wasn't painful them having like 7 million superheroes in it.
Almost all the characters. Almost all. But they reference the ones that don't show up.
Yeah.
To give them an excuse for not being there.
But it was very good. It's my birthday. Super exciting. It's funny because like I was really excited last night, and now I'm just like, feels like a normal day, because we always like stay up until like whoever's birthday it is like ticks over, like mine or Corpu's, when it gets to like midnight, and then we open our gifts then, and then like the rest of the day doesn't even feel like your birthday because you've already had your presents and stuff. But so far this morning, Corpu and I have just laid in bed, and we got up about an hour ago. We if you guys follow my vlogs, you know that I have something called Refuge, which is like a sleep aid, and we normally only have half a serving, but today, because we both had the day off, we had like a whole serving, so we both were like KO'd until 9 o'clock. We'll show you what I got for my birthday. Obviously Corpu has really gone above and beyond this birthday. Like, he's got me way too many things. So he got me the Gymshark stuff, or one set of the Gymshark stuff, and then he got me some Allbirds, which are the shoes that I got him but a different style, and I'm really excited because I didn't think he was getting them for me. And he also got me a Nintendo shop card so I can buy some games, which is really exciting. And then from Hazel, I'll show you what she got me. I love this packaging's a bit really stupid. So she got me T2 Just Peppermint tea, and the most exciting part, this angelic flask. I wish you guys could see it on the camera, but it's like a regular flask, but it's like, you can sort of see, but it's like white with like a green iridescent shimmer on it. And these are my Allbirds. Aren't they cute? I'll have to leave them linked off down below. They are so plush and soft. They're made out of trees. You guys probably can't tell when you look at them, but like, they're made out of trees.
See like Halloumi, and I'm like, you're cursed.
I'll have to tell them the story someday. But I'm back at Coffee Club again, and I think this time, gosh, couldn't get it open. I'm gonna get that with none of that. Actually, maybe I shouldn't get that. I'm not sure. I'll have a look, but the menu looks awesome. So I got the chicken Caesar brioche burger with chips, and then I got this because it's so yum, and then Corpu got what I got the other day. Oh, your nose is so much further away than I thought it was. We made it to dinner. This is my makeup, by the way. It wants to focus. I'm wearing like a lip glitter melon by Jouer, and just like black powder liner, same outfit as earlier because it's comfy and I wanted to be comfy today. But I better go because I don't want my camera battery to die and I forgot to change it. We're very deep in the restaurant tonight. Super deep. Like right at the back. Yes! I feel like it's more expensive every time we come. It's like $44 now.
It's up to you, you can go.
Nah, I'm okay, thank you. Hey guys, I've just come and hopped in bed. We have Hannah over and we're just having some like chill birthday hangs. We're watching my friend Prawlin do some body painting on his stream. He's the one who I did makeup on at Armageddon Wellington, if you guys caught that or if you remember me telling you about that. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys that I don't know if I mentioned, but Corpu got me, I think I did, Corpu got me a Nintendo card for my birthday, which I'm so grateful for. Babe, if you're watching, thank you, I love you. Anyway, and I bought ukulele. These are my Switch games, so I've got Super Mario Odyssey, Legend of Zelda, Super Mario Kart, Splatoon, and then that's like the demo. And then I just bought ukulele. I'm so excited. Good morning guys, happy Saturday. I just got up. I didn't really vlog that much yesterday because I just wanted to enjoy my birthday, but I wanted to share some of it with you, so I hope you enjoyed what I did share. I had a really freaking great day, probably like one of my best and most chill birthdays in a while. But yeah, I'm just in a really good mood today. I can't even lie, like I'm feeling so great, so happy, so grateful, and I'm just excited to go and like get a sweat on at the gym. I am having the laziest afternoon ever, just playing on my Switch. I was just playing Zelda. I was just playing Mario, but now I'm going to play Zelda. Really want to play ukulele, but I kind of want to save it for stream. So I'm not going to play today, but I might play some tomorrow if I need to decide what I'm going to do. But yeah, I've just been like, I had breakfast hours ago. But I had toast and I had toast and I had a protein shake, and then I've had like some pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. Then I just had some like Vegemite and cheese on Vita Wheat, just because I don't know, I'm not super hungry today, but I need to make sure that I eat the right amount of calories, you know. So I'm just very blobbed. There's not much to update you guys on at all because I'm just being a human blob. So yeah. So I forgot to finish the vlog yesterday as per usual, so here's a finishing clip from Sunday. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was a little bit all over the place, but when are my vlogs not all over the place? I have had a really good week. I want to say a big thank you to everybody who wished me a happy birthday throughout my social medias and stuff like that. I really appreciate it. The door is really annoying me because the wind is pulling it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, which I've already said. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'm all over the place this morning. I will see you guys really soon with another video. Bye.